Okay, for 107, they want us to solve the equations. So for A, we have 3 times x minus 2 equals negative 6. So we use the distributive property, right? So we get 3x, 3 times negative 2 is minus 6. Then we add 6 to both sides of the equation. We get 3x equals 0. Divide both sides by 3, and we get x equals 0 for A. For B, we'll do it up here. 2 times x plus 1 plus 3 equals 3 times x minus 1. And in this one, we distribute, right, the 2 in here. So we get 2x plus 2 plus 3 equals, and over here we distribute 3x minus 3. So that gives us like terms, 2x plus 5 equals 3x minus 3. We subtract 2x from both sides, and we get 5 equals x minus 3, and we add 3 to both sides, 8. So x equals 8 for B. Okay, for C, let's make some space. So C, we have x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals x plus 1 times x plus 5. So we have to distribute or use FOIL, same thing, right? So I take the x and I distribute that into the x and the 3. So I get x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Then I take the 2 and distribute it in over here. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6. Then on the right-hand side, we do the same thing. We distribute the x in, so we get x squared plus 5x. Then we distribute the 1 in to here, right, times the x. So 1 times x is x, 1 times 5 is 5. Then we combine our like terms. There's a like terms there, there's like terms. So I get x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals, on the right, x squared plus 5x plus 1x is 6x plus 5. We subtract x squared from both sides, right? So we get 5x plus 6 equals 6x plus 5. We subtract 5x from both sides, and we get 6 equals x plus 5. We subtract 5, and we get 1 equals x, and we write our answer as x equals 1, right? That's for C. And for D, we could probably fit that right here, right? We have the absolute value of x minus 5 equals 8, so we split it into 2. The first one, we just strip away the absolute value. The second one, we strip it away and make the right-hand side negative, right? So now we add 5 to both sides, and we get x equals 13. This equation, we add 5 to both sides, and we get x equals negative 3. And therefore, in set notation, we would get negative 3 and 13, which are both solutions.